Dear students, welcome to CR's digital classes. Today's concept is shifting of origin and trend values. So sometimes what happens, they'll give a linear equation for us. So in that linear equation, they want to check it out if a monthly trend has been changed or yearly trend has been changed, like that they'll be asking. So let us deal how that going on. So here is an example for us. Given y is equal to 300 plus 24x, origin from 2001, x unit 1 year, y unit annual profit. So x axis what is that, y axis what is that, they have mentioned here. Convert into monthly trend equation they are asking. In the sense, till now whatever we have done, straight line, parabola, that all. So straight line equation will try to obtain that equation through the data, right? X values, y values they'll mention, we'll try to obtain straight line equation using that. So here what they have done is, they have given equation already. So check it out, y is equal to 300 plus 24x is nothing but our straight line equation. So they have obtained AB values and they have given already our equation. But they want to check it out if that equation goes to monthly trend, how the changes will be. So let us deal that one today. So what we have done here, check it out. So given equation again I have considered, then I have to convert that into monthly trend. So monthly trend we want to consider means, what we do is, the equation whatever we got, that to convert it, simply we have to divide entire equation by 12. Why? Because in a year we have 12 months. So monthly data conversions will be done if you divide with 12. So every month will consider. So finally whatever the months are there, 12 months from Jan to December, 12 months. So simply given equation you divide by 12, you'll get your answers. So let us check it out how it is done. So we have to divide trend equation with 12. So now we'll obtain a trend equation. Check it out how I have done. I have taken that y is equal to 300 plus 24x equation. Now I have divided for everywhere. I have divided with 12. And make sure you have to divide with the constant whatever you have with the x terms. Here 24 I have, 24x I have. So under 24 also you have to divide, and under x also you need to divide. It's a single term, 24x a single term, but you have to divide for constants separately as well as variable separately. So under 24 also I have written divided by 12, and under x also I have wrote 12. Now let us go for the calculation. So y is equal to 300 by 12 I have divided, I have got answer as 25. Next plus 24 by 12 I have divided, I have got answer as 2. Then x by 12 as it is I have considered. Next step we'll divide that also, nothing but this 2 and 12 let us divide. So that is here we have taken y is equal to 25 as it is. So 2 by 12 I have considered, because variables can't be divided, only numbers we should divide. So 2 by 12 I have considered, 2 by 12 into x. So now y is equal to 25 plus 2 by 12 I have got as 0.166 x. So this is how we'll convert that given equation into monthly data, or sometimes they'll be asking half yearly or 3 months, like that. So based on that we have to go on converting by dividing the particular quarterly means 4 divided by 4, like that you have to go on dividing based on the given question. So here monthly data we require, so we have divided by 12 here and we got the answers. So final answer we got is this one, is the required monthly trend equation. So in this way you'll get it. For short time you may expect these questions, converting origins to monthly data, quarterly data, or like 6 months conversions, like that. So hope you have understood this session. See you all in the next video. Thank you.